Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with two files, the original and the updated target. Place them together so paths are simple because Xdelta works on file streams. Install Xdelta 3 now. On Linux, use apt or yum. On Mac OS, use brew. On Windows, grab the binary. Once installed, verify Xdelta 3 vprints a version. This avoids path errors later. Next, create the Delta file from original to target. That Delta will be the compact patch you distribute to apply changes efficiently. Now create the patch. Run Xdelta 3 ES original target patch. XD3, so Xdelta reads the source and emits a compact delta. Use the B option for large windows if you need better compression for big files. This trades memory for size. Once the patch is generated, compute a checksum like SHA-256 so recipients can verify integrity. Then distribute the patch file only. Recipients will need the original file plus this delta to reconstruct the target. To apply the patch, run Xdelta 3DS original patch. XD3O reconstructed target, so Xdelta reads your source and writes the reconstructed target. Once done, compare checksums to confirm exact match. This ensures the patch reconstructed correctly. If something fails, make sure the original file is the exact version used to create the patch, because any difference breaks binary deltas. Also check Xdelta versions match, and you have read/write permissions. Updating Xdelta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.